Well, an issuer of the largest exchange-traded fund in South Africa, NewGold ETF, is bringing to the market a new ETF that's in the form of NewGold Platinum. The debentures will be fully backed by physical platinum. This will provide investors with the opportunity to obtain exposure to the rand performance of platinum bullion. Joining me on the line, Vladimir Nedeljkovic, head of investments at Absa Capital. Vladimir, thanks for joining us. So tell us about the decision to launch this new ETF. And of course, it's an ETF and not an ETN that is already in the market. So why are you going this route?
Yeah. Hi. Thanks for talking to me. Basically, NewGold ETF is the largest commodity ETF and the only commodity ETF in South Africa. We have, for quite some time, had lots of demands for our clients, in particular institutional clients, for a similar product that would track the price of platinum. Of course, there were regulatory issues regarding the status of the product, domestic status, and since the budget speech, which basically further liberalized ETFs, commodity ETFs, and basically announced that those products will be treated as domestic assets, we've decided that now is the time to launch this product. So this product will differ from the existing ETNs in the market in two ways. First of all, it's going to be fully backed by physical. There's not going to be any credit risk as we have with ETNs. And two, it is going to be treated as a domestic asset. So for all institutional investors, it will not have any impact on their foreign allowances.
So certainly is interesting there, as you say, being able to pull in institutional investors into the ETF space and looking to get exposure to platinum, but not I assume some of the risks that come with platinum miners, one might say. But what about the price of platinum right now? It certainly has been under pressure. Do you see strong demand even in this environment right now where gold, platinum have come under considerable pressure, and it doesn't seem like there's a lot of bullish commentary around the outlook for platinum right now?
Yeah, well, I can't comment on the obviously the forward prospects on the platinum. I can just kind of give you anecdotal evidence. Obviously, as you know, the gold price has been under severe pressure over the last couple of days or weeks or months. But we have seen quite a significant demand for gold, and we're actually doing actually increasing the size of the fund because we're having quite a lot of demand for investors. So I think what investors are trying to do, or sophisticated investors, are actually seeing this as an opportunity to get access to the commodity when the price is lower.
So it is.
So we expect to have a good demand for this product as well.
Because that has been a kind of anecdotal evidence, as you say, from what global investors are saying about the ETF space, that there have been ETFs that is unshaken by the sell-off in the gold price. In South Africa, the NewGold ETF that you have, is that the case, what you're saying right now, that there's still demand and you're still growing? I mean, how much bigger are you going to make it?
Well, the product, both ETFs, the NewGold and the NewPlat, are open-ended funds. So the size of the fund will depend on the supply and demand. As I said, on the gold space, we do have at the moment quite a lot of demand from the investors, and we are obviously creating new units to satisfy that demand. We hope that we'll have the similar situation in the platinum space.
And you're obviously able to buy up gold at these lower levels right now.
Absolutely, and because those products are fully backed by physical gold or platinum, we obviously any security issue has to be backed by physical, and we have to buy physical to back those.
Vladimir, we're going to have to leave it there. Thank you very much for joining us, Vladimir Nedeljkovic, head of investments at Absa Capital.